A lot of people are struggling to make ends meet due to businesses shutting down. In this video, we'll be going over some ways to make money even when we're all experiencing a global pandemic. Everyone knows that everything requires money. Unfortunately, in this situation that we're all experiencing currently, money can sometimes seem like it's nowhere to be found. A lot of people lost their jobs or had their hours cut recently due to the coronavirus. However, there are many ways to make money right now, even if you're one of the people that sadly lost their job. We went over a few ideas briefly in our previous video, but in this video we have expanded on those ideas and added even more. We have a list of 10 things that you can do to earn money in these uncertain times. The first way that you can make money right now would be to become an Uber or Lyft driver. Although a lot of people are under quarantine, there's still a need to drive people to various essential places of business like the pharmacy, bank, or grocery store. It may seem like a risky way to earn money right now because you would have people in your car, but if you take proper precautions like wearing a mask, washing your hands, using hand sanitizer, and spraying the car with a disinfectant spray, you can reduce your risk greatly. Being an Uber or Lyft driver is also a good way to earn extra money once you go back to your regular job too. You make your own hours, which is really helpful, and you don't have an annoying boss telling you what to do all the time. To sign up to become an Uber or Lyft driver, you must be at least 21 years old, you must have a valid US driver's license for a year for Lyft, or 3 years for Uber if you're under the age of 23. You must have car insurance in your name, a social security number, and you must agree to a background check. Your car must also be a 2006 or newer, and it needs to have 4 doors. If you meet all of these requirements, you could go to their respective websites and fill out their applications. If you would rather not take people in your car, but you like the idea of being your own boss and making your own hours, you can also consider our second way to make money right now, which is driving for DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, or Uber Eats. With people being stuck in their homes right now, there's an extra need for food delivery drivers. People will get hungry in quarantine, and sometimes it's hard to get out for food these days, so they rely on delivery services to keep them full and happy. Make sure that you take the proper precautions, of course, like wearing a mask and gloves, and make sure that you have hand sanitizer stocked up in your car at all times so you can sanitize after each delivery. It is essential work after all, and you will be coming into contact with people. All of these companies have varying requirements for becoming a delivery driver on their platforms, but most require you to be at least 18 years old, have a smartphone, and pass a background check. If you're interested in becoming a delivery driver for any of these, you can check out their individual websites for their requirements and apply there. The third way to make money right now would be to sign up for TaskRabbit or Instacart. With TaskRabbit, you get paid to help out with everyday tasks like delivering items, helping people move, cleaning, and handiwork. With Instacart, you get paid to go grocery shopping for people, and you deliver said groceries to them when you're done. With both of these options, you have the opportunity to make money by delivering groceries, but with TaskRabbit, there's the option there for you to do even more if that's what you're into. A lot of people are using these grocery delivery apps lately, as they cannot or will not leave their homes, so there's a huge demand for this sort of work. In order to qualify to become a TaskRabbit or Instacart employee, you must be 18 years old, have a US social security number, be able to work in one of the active cities in the US, pass a background check, have a checking account, have a credit card, and have a smartphone. You can apply on their respective websites if you meet all of these requirements. Amazon is the fourth way that you can make money during this time. You could sign up to be an Amazon Flex driver and get paid to deliver packages from your own car around the area where you live. You can pick up these packages at a local Amazon warehouse. You can also pick up Whole Foods orders with the Amazon Flex app and deliver them to homes of customers. This is a very in-demand line of work right now, as a lot of people have no other method of going to get their essential supplies that they need to survive. In order to become a Flex driver, you must be 21 years old, have a valid license, social security number, be able to pass a background check, have a 4-door car that is insured, and have a smartphone. If you think that it's a good fit for you, you could sign up by going to flex.amazon.com. But perhaps you don't have a car or you don't qualify to work for any of these places, but you need to make money right now. That brings us to the 5th item on our list. Selling off any of your unused or unwanted items on Declutter, Letgo, OfferUp, or eBay. We all have a lot of things that we have accumulated over the years that are sitting around and collecting dust in our houses. Now that we're all at home all the time, we're noticing all these things more and more, which is making many people go on cleaning purges of their houses. Why not turn that trash into someone else's treasure? Maybe you have an old table or chair sitting around and you find some paint in your garage while you were purging it. Why not spice up that furniture? Clean it off, give it a fresh coat of paint, and sell it from the comfort of your own living room. You can stop seeing it take up space in your house, you can make money on it, and you'll make someone else happy by selling it to them. It's a win-win-win. The 6th idea to make money right now would be to make masks for people. We all need masks to go out and about to keep ourselves and others safe from the virus. If you're a crafty person, or if you just have the supplies lying around, you can make fancy masks and sell them. Masks are in high demand right now, especially since they're in such low supply in stores. Also, a lot of people would rather have a reusable one that they could wash as opposed to one that gets tossed after one use. It will make you feel good by doing something nice for people, and you could even earn a small amount of money while you do it. Plus, it's a good way to keep busy and keep you from spending your life in front of the TV watching Netflix. If you love dogs, then the 7th way to make money is the perfect one for you. There are lots of people right now that are not in the best position to even take their dogs for a walk, so that's where you can come in. There are apps out there like Rover or Wag where you could sign up and get paid to take dogs for walks. You get some exercise, you get to hang out with dogs, and you make money. You can apply to become a dog walker on each of their respective websites. Renting out a bedroom in your house is the 8th way to make money on our list. Maybe during all of your purging in your house, you discovered that extra bedroom that you had was no longer needed for storage because you sold everything in it. That would be the perfect opportunity to rent it out instead. Your nephew Steve has been looking to move out of your sister's house anyway. Why not rent it to him and make some extra money? The 9th way to make money would be to rent out your car. You could sign up to rent out your car on sites like HireCar or Turo. They insure your car while the person is renting it, and you could set the price for the rental as well. Maybe an essential worker has a car that broke down and they can't get it fixed at the moment, so they're looking to rent a car so they could get back and forth to work. Basically, you can make money on a car that isn't being used right now anyway due to your quarantine. Our 10th and final way to make money would be to start an Etsy store. This quarantine has people trying their hands at many different things that they wouldn't normally do, like painting or woodworking, for example. If you're one of those people, you can start your own store on Etsy and sell your masterpieces to people. All you need to do to start one is to go to Etsy's website, sign up, and begin selling your wonderful works of art. To recap, we went over 10 different ways for you to make some money during this global pandemic. You can drive for ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft. You can deliver food for apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Postmates. You can work for TaskRabbit or Instacart and perform everyday tasks for people like grocery shopping or cleaning. You can deliver packages for Amazon. You can sell your unused or unwanted items on Declutter, eBay, Letgo, or OfferUp. You can make fancy fabric masks for people and sell them. You can walk dogs for people using Rover or Wag. You could rent out an extra room in your house. You could rent out your car on HireCar or Turo. And lastly, you can start an Etsy store and sell your masterpieces that you've been making during this quarantine. Things may seem bleak right now, but there are options out there for you to make money, even if you're unemployed and waiting for your unemployment checks to start coming in. We hope that everyone stays safe and healthy during these times, so if you decide to do one of these ideas where you need to be out and about, please wear a mask and keep sanitizer in your car. We make videos like this to help everyone like us save money or take advantage of any existing opportunity out there to gain financial freedom. For more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified of our latest videos.